everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making Shanghai style meatballs.
Yes, Shiitake.
Shanghai style meatball is a super delicious Chinese style meatball dish that goes amazing with rice or noodles. In Chinese, it's called Tao, which translates to lion head. But don't worry, there's only pork in there and the meatball just looks like a lion head apparently. Us Chinese people have an amazing imagination, as you can see. Anyways, to get started, we'll need Napa Cabbage, Celery Stalks, Rehydrated Shiitake mushrooms, bamboo, water chestnuts, 1 egg, sugar, chunky minced pork, pepper, supreme soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, and chicken flavoring. Oh, and I almost forgot, sesame oil and dark soy sauce. Alright, to start on the prep, we'll need to finely dice up 1 rehydrated shiitake mushroom, and finally dice up 3 water chestnuts into tiny little pieces. For the bamboo, you'll just need to cut it in half and then you'll need to slice it up into thin card-sized slices like this. And for the celery, you'll also cut them into tiny little pieces. And for your other 3 shiitake mushrooms, you'll also need to just slice them up into thin pieces like this. And finally, for the Napa Cabbage, you will just cut them into thirds, and for each third, you'll just cut them into matchstick pieces. Now, let's move on to marinating the minced pork. For the marinade, first start breaking an egg in there. Then add in your chopped water chestnuts, chopped mushrooms, and your chopped up celery. Then add in 1 small spoon of sugar, 1 small spoon of chicken flavoring, a few twists of pepper, a swig of supreme soy sauce, and then we're gonna mix it through. Then add in 1 spoon of cornstarch and a little bit of oil and mix it through one last time and then you're done. Allow it to marinate for at least 15 minutes and you're ready for the next step. And now we're going to roll these into large meatballs like this. Alright, now we're ready to fry. To start frying, turn on the gas and add a good glug of oil into your wok or pot and let the oil heat up. To know when the oil's heated up to frying temperature, get a wooden chopstick and stick it in there, and once you see bubbles forming around the chopstick, that means it's ready to fry. Once ready, start adding your meatballs slowly into the oil. Let it cook for about 10 minutes and flip it around and baste it with oil throughout until it has a nice crispy brown exterior. After about 10 minutes, the meatballs are brown and crispy. Take them out and carefully pour the oil out onto a separate bowl. Then, with the remaining oil in the wok, we're going to use this oil to cook the rest of the ingredients with. So first, turn the gas back on and then add in your sliced bamboo and mushrooms and toss it around for about a minute. Then add in your Napa Cabbage and mix it all around. Then add in 2 spoons of cooking wine and a bowl of water, and then add your meatballs in. Then add a few twists of pepper in there, a small spoon of chicken flavoring, 2 spoons of supreme soy sauce, 2 spoons of dark soy sauce for color, and 1 spoon of oyster sauce, and mix it around. Then we're going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. If you want to be a little extra like our 3-cup chicken video, you can also heat up a clay pot on the side so when you add in the meatballs you get a nice sizzling effect. After about 5 minutes, we're going to add in some cornstarch and water mixture in the middle to thicken up the sauce. Stir it all around, and once the sauce is thickened up, let it cook for another 30 seconds and then turn off the gas. Then you're going to put your clay pot on a wood tray and then carefully put it in your meatballs in there and add a little bit of sesame oil, and it's ready to serve. I hope you all enjoy! Alright, let's eat, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Cut. What's for dinner?
Some Shanghai style meatballs. You want some?
Yeah.
Speaking of that, are you ready for football?
No, but are you ready for some meatballs?
Sit.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's go.
Let's try some
Yeah.
CG tao.
Yeah. Chinese Shiitake.
Chinese CG tao? What does it mean?
It's like
A
a
lion's
lion's
head.
head.
Lion's head.
Yeah.
Actually,
Oh,
yeah. You
really
like it?
Oh, done.
I like the sound of that.
Ooh, try some.
Yeah. Try. Yeah. Okay.
One more for you.
Yeah.
Alright, cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Wow. Good.
Wow. It's so yummy.
That's a lot of flavor packed into one.
Wow. It's crunchy
Yeah. Same
and delicious.
Yeah.
That's a lot of flavors that you wouldn't expect, but it just works. It works really well.
Yeah. We eat the rest one before that.
Yeah.
Same, man.
We should have some of this before football games.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye.